Ever wonder how AI thinks? It's not magic, it's AI coding.
Ever wondered how AI actually thinks? It might seem like magic, but it's not.
Imagine teaching a computer. But it's different. You don't give it step-by-step commands for every single task.
Think of it like teaching a computer, but instead of specific instructions for every task,
You feed it lots of data and let it learn patterns. This is called machine learning.
coders choose a model, like a recipe.
And then train it by showing it countless examples.
For instance, show it 1,000,000 cat photos, and it learns what a cat looks like. Coders use languages like Python and special libraries.
Which are like toolkits to build and train these AI models.
Once trained, the AI model can make predictions or decisions on new, unseen data. This powers things like self-driving cars, spam filters, and recommendation systems. Deep learning, a type of machine learning, uses complex neural networks.
Inspired by the human brain to find even more intricate patterns.
AI coding also involves testing, tuning, and refining these models. It's about creating intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and assist us. AI coding, building the future, one algorithm at a time.
But AI coding doesn't stop at just building the model. A huge part is testing, carefully tuning parameters. Ultimately, AI coding is about creating intelligent systems. Systems that don't just follow orders, but can truly learn. So that's AI coding in a nutshell. It's about building the future, step by step.
The structure of these neural networks, it's actually inspired by the connections in the human brain.